Today's topic is about Father Fowl. Now, a lot of you may know him from the late 80s. And he started his promotion called the British Link Up. And I just found it necessary for me today to speak about him because I'm from England. So, I'm just keeping it British all the way. Right. Now, people, this man might not have been an angel, but he was an angel in my eyes. That's how I can say it, right? Because sometimes when I fiddle, what am I fiddle? To make ends meet. Saying this, he turned a negative situation after he spent 11 years incarcerated. They actually gave him 13 years, those son of a bitches, right? But he done 11 years. And he has gained the reputation and the respect because of how he used to deal with people and treat people. This man set the trend in dancehall on another level, may I tell you. Because in dancehall, man never used to wear suit, jacket, and all of that. He's like a fashion icon. But see the little ring with the hand finger, cause photos are better, right? And that made people look within themselves and take dancehall more seriously. He up the culture in dancehall. That's why I loved him so much. You understand what I'm saying? Every year, it's the British Link Up dances. And he used to keep another dance called, they used to fry fish and stuff like that every year. Anyhow, after Babylon lock him up and him survive in the belly of the beast, he come out, they deported him back to Jamaica. But that never stopped him from being a successful individual. He has been a role model to a lot of people and respected, rightly so, because he rebuilt himself, he repositioned himself. I hear that he even went into real estate and everything. I rated him from Bogle days because I know he had a lot to do with Beanie Man and Bogle, the dancer, who they took out also. Fire burn them wherever them. I hope them dead somewhere because that was my dancer, Bogle. Anyway, getting back to the point now. This man was doing good. He stayed out of trouble. He helped to maintain a lot of people, especially the elderly. Take care of the elderly. And also he took care of the youths them. A mother don't have no money to buy shoes for them. I'll send them to school or buy them uniform. Father Fowl deal with the situation, no problem. He's the kind of person that he just want everybody to have. He want everybody to live. He want everybody to be happy in the dance hall. He was still humble no matter how much millions of pounds he did have. And he did have, let me tell you. He had properties all over the world. And Babylon, them vexed with him because they did want to take away properties and him jewelry and everything and nothing couldn't go so them vexed. Worse that he left England because he was deported by the arse. And he got Jamaica and him just arise. Just arise. And the bad-minded people, them son of a bitches, them, yes, me said it because me hot right now and me mad. Take out the man. For what reason? Ask yourself. Well, to me, it was a setup. And the kind of person is so loving. He get a warning from him brother say. In the ear said, them want to take him out the game. But as a Christian man, him turned Christian, him said, no weapon that's formed against him shall prosper. Well, them found a weapon against him and take him out. But they're not going to prosper. Them are got, let me tell you something, them are got dead like a dog in the street. Because if you live by the sword, you're going to die by the sword. You hear me, people? This man done good. He was like a Robin Hood. For the community. Our politicians, them, respect and turn him life around and make him money in a positive way. He not sell no crack, no coke, no nothing, no more. He was legit. You understand? And I had enough respect for him. And you mean for say, he can't even go to a little dance and enjoy himself. And two little dirty or whoever they are. I mean, I take back no chat, right? Take him out, so. In front of people like that. Because them bad mind and envious. It was a setup, people. It was a setup. And let me tell you something. What is in the dark is going to be revealed in the light. Wicked, dirty. Me not even have a name to call them because that was callous and ruthless and evil. And now, them take him out now. People vex like myself. And right now, it's going to be peer vengeance right now. Peer vengeance right now. Especially if you live in Kingston. I'm telling you, people, be safe. Because 6 to 7 people dead already. And them not stop until them take out 100. So that means all innocent people are going to get slayed. And I don't want that happening. You understand what I mean? But let me tell you, me I pray everything. Me I pray everybody that was around him that night. Me I pray everything. And I'm supposed to have a man them around him. Alright, you being merry, you're drinking, you're happy, you're all the vibes. But me I pray everything. The man never even have a gun. All the man them around him and all that had jig up and a dance up and all that should have been praying their surroundings. You're out in the open. You're out in the open. That was the first mistake. You're out in the open. You're not even near a wall or nothing. You understand what I mean? A man like that should have had people, his entourage should have been around him more. You understand what I mean? Because right now, me I pre the puss. Me I pre the dog. Me I pre the DJ. You understand? Me I pre everybody that was in his circle. Me I pre the sky. Me I pre the earth. Me I pre the Hennessy in a cup. Me I pre everything. You understand? And let me tell you something. I mean, I take back no chat because I'm afraid of bullet. A bullet afraid of me. You understand? You see? Me glad to me know Jesus, you know, because I tell you, even though I didn't know this man personally, I knew him for his works. Because his works speak for that man. Why them not take out some of the dirty dog them? Well, kill people every day. This man not bother nobody. And him having 8 children. Imagine that. What am I do now? What people in the community supposed to do now? Because he was like their bread and water. Their role model. A good man. I'm so pissed right now. Because Jesus changed me, you know. Because I tell you, me that take out anybody for that man. Trust me, because he was good. Everybody needs to go take up them Bible and read Psalms 91 and Psalms 23 and Psalm 7 especially. May I go take out my Bible tonight? May I go read whoever kill him? Right. Don't forget, wipe out totally. I mean, I take back the talk from nobody because it was wrong and it wasn't necessary. So now, maybe even some innocent people might gonna have to get wiped out. What can I say? What were they thinking about? What were they thinking about? They weren't thinking about his family. They weren't thinking about the goodness that he done. Just jealous and bad-minded. No. This was a direct hit, and this was a direct order of somebody that felt intimidated by this great man. I said it. And you know what? It's not anybody's small neither. Me I pray everything. Me I pray everybody. Me not care. This man was knocking heads with politicians and police. It was a direct order. And it was coming high. But me all a pre Scotland Yard in England. Me I pre all of them. Me I pre them. Right, because they was mad, because this man had so much money in different accounts, and he had so much property that he invested. He was smart. He outsmart them. And Scotland Yard, them wanting jewelry and everything, him house, him land, him cars, them and everything. But he was smart. They couldn't just seize everything like that. So they were hot. And the worst that he went back to Jamaica and he even got higher. It pissed them the fuck off. Trust me. And no little small fish take him out. No little small fish. They might have the little small fish that actually done the killing. But it was a high order. And that you could pray. That's what's in my gut spirit. They are evil. They are vicious. And they're going to meet their creator, which is Satan, down in the hell and them gone burn their fever. May I tell you that? So people, be very careful who you brush with. Because you might have a man right next to you and he might put the bullet in the back of your head or the knife in your back. Be very careful how you move, especially when you're climbing up, because some people, they like crab in a barrel. They don't like to see you do good, or you're doing too good too long. Or they thought that you was down, but you keep on rising. Be careful. Be careful who you call your friends. Be careful who you call your family. Be careful who you call your associates. You understand? What the Bible tell you. Eat the Bible, every word. Stay prayed up. Don't be too trusting. And don't ever underestimate the other man. I'm going to just leave it like that. God rests his soul. R.I.P. Return if possible, Father Fowl. He done good. And any wrong that he has done in the past, he tried to amend it and he gave his life to Christ. So I guess it was time for him to go home. It was time for him to go home. Let this be a lesson to all of us. And on this note, Miss Sam is checking out. Thank you for tuning in. Take care and God bless.